In this video, I wanted to show you a few awesome tech products that have great quality and they offer a good value for the price. One of the latest additions to my office setup, this sit and stand desk made by the company called Maidesite. At the time of this video, it costs about 360 euros in the EU, but make sure to check out the video description for the latest prices and coupon codes. The desk comes in this pretty heavy box where all of the items are packed neatly and safely. You get everything you need to get started, and I suggest you to follow a simple YouTube video tutorial to assemble the desk. It took me about 30 minutes to assemble the desk and attach all of the accessories. All of the desks I've used in the past were in white color, but this time I decided it was time to pick up something different. A black frame with this really nice looking vintage 120 by 60 centimeters tabletop. The craftsmanship and the overall desk quality are great. It feels quite premium and the desk is built to last. The device has a pretty standard height adjustment range from 72 to 120 centimeters, and you can use 4 presets for different heights. The control unit has capacitive keys that are responsive and easy to use, and the height is adjusted pretty fast. There is even a USB port for charging your phone or other devices. What makes this Maidesite desk stand out? A bunch of accessories and extra features. First of all, the entire unit is on wheels, and that was actually one of the main reasons why I got this desk, as I plan to use it for product shoots, so I can move it and adjust the height fast. As a result, I can change the background in a matter of seconds. Obviously, there are wheel locks when you want the unit to stay in place. You also get this memo board, which is a simple yet effective solution for notes or printed photos. I also like quite a spacious storage bag where I keep my pens, cables, cleaning cloths, and other stuff. There's also this little plastic drawer where I store small items to keep the desk clean. On the right, there is a hook for headphones, which is very convenient, and last but not least, you get a cable management rack, which is essential to keep your setup clean. Other key features include anti-collision system for protection, a 60 kilograms load capacity, which is more than enough even for the heaviest setups, and the entire unit weighs 33.8 kilograms. Overall, this Maidesite sit and stand desk is a really awesome addition to my setup. I love the overall quality, design, a bunch of very useful accessories it comes with, and the fact that it is on wheels, so I can move it fast. I constantly work at different locations, meaning that a laptop is the main tool to get the job done, but I always miss the extra screen space. The Offia P2 Pro costs about 500 bucks, but it is probably the best double monitor setup I've tested yet, and it makes your laptop a powerful triple monitor productivity station. For instance, last year I tested the Trio Max, which was great, but I prefer Offia's offering because of a well thought out mounting solution. You just simply need to press the release button, squeeze it until your laptop screen is secure in the rubber padded supports, and extend the back support arm. When you are done working, simply fold 2 screens into a compact chassis and put it in the supplied travel pouch. Inside the retail box, you also get 2 USB-C to USB-C cables, 1 USB-A to USB cable, and some paperwork. I love the fact that these 2 monitors work with just a single USB Type-C cable, although you need to install the driver manually. I like the fact that the company used metal chassis on each of the monitors, which gives a bit of a premium look and feel. The build quality is very good too. Each screen is 13.5 inches in size and they sport 1080p resolution. The quality of panel is not on par with a MacBook Pro screen, but it is still plenty sharp for everyday productivity tasks. The presentation mode is pretty useful when you want to share the contents of the display with your colleagues or friends. You can duplicate or screen mirror on the laptop or launch DeX mode on Samsung phones. I found monitors to be working great with my MacBook Pro in each mode. Other key features include the ability to change quite a few settings. There are control keys on the top, 2 USB-C ports on the bottom, and even a micro SD card slot. The only downside is that the device is a huge fingerprint magnet. Overall, the Offia P2 Pro is a really nice pair of monitors that make your laptop a portable triple monitor productivity station. So far, it is the best multiple monitor implementation I've ever tested, and I can definitely recommend it. Lamicall produces high-quality stands for phones, tablets, and laptops for incredibly low prices that start at just about 15 euros if you use the discount codes that you can find in the video description down below. First of all, the stands come in a few different colors, but my favorite is silver. Each stand is made out of high-quality aluminum, the build quality is top-notch, and the devices look premium on the table. Solid piece of metal gives confidence that the stands are built to last. I love the flexibility as you can adjust both the angle and the height thanks to the 2-axis design. The phone and the tablet stands have just the right amount of stiffness, but when it comes to the laptop stand, you need a good amount of strength to adjust the angle and the height, but I do like this kind of stiffness as the stand gives me a complete peace of mind that the laptop will never fall. The laptop stand is very convenient with a height adjustable desk as I constantly keep adjusting the angles of the laptop screen. Also, it works great in a clamshell mode as the laptop stays firmly. I also like rubber padding on the holder so the phone stays in place and it doesn't get scratched. Also, silicone pads assure good grip with the table. Overall, these Lamicall stands are great. I love an all-metal design, excellent build, and the ability to adjust the angle. To sum up, these stands offer excellent value for the price. These iPhone frames are handmade by the company named Xreart. I have the original iPhone and the iPhone 4 frames that are very nice decorations for my office space. Each frame has an iPhone fully disassembled and you can see the names of each part, when the phone was released and discontinued, and other information. What is awesome is that these are all original phone parts, meaning that you can preserve your favorite tech product that has a special significance for you, or you are a tech enthusiast like me and you want to have some of the most iconic devices in your home or office. What is more, the parts of these old phones are not going to waste, so it is better for the environment. You can hang each frame on the wall or simply put it anywhere. Overall, these are nice iPhone frames that look great in the office and they could be a great gift idea for any tech enthusiast. The company produces all sorts of frames that you can find on their official website. All the links are down below. SuperEQ S2 headphones cost just about $50, but you can get an additional 20% off with a coupon code in the video description down below. One of the highlights of this headset, an effective active noise cancelling technology that blocks out unwanted sounds. In fact, the device uses the latest Qualcomm chipset that helps reduce up to 75% of ambient sound. The design and build quality are also very nice and the headphones are very comfortable to wear. I also love their compact size compared to other over-the-head headphones. In addition to this, I found the sound quality to be very impressive considering the price of the headset. There is a lot of bass and I can hear a good separation between mids, highs, and lows. The control buttons are responsive and easy to reach. Other key features include Bluetooth 5, battery life is up to 45 hours if you use the cable and up to 25 hours wireless. The call quality is pretty good and IPX4 rating means that the headphones can withstand sweat and moisture during workouts. Overall, the SuperEQ S2s are a high-quality pair of headphones with active noise cancelling that offer a lot of value for the price. TOZO A1 is an amazingly good pair of true wireless earphones that cost just below $20. They sport this matte black design that is nice to the touch and the buds are very comfortable to wear due to their small size and low weight of just about 3.7 grams per earbud. I also like the fact that the case is very compact, making it convenient for traveling, while at the same time it provides a huge boost for battery life. It provides up to 32 hours of music listening thanks to its 400 mAh capacity. The buds last up to 6 hours on a single charge. What is more, the A1s have the Bluetooth 5.3 even though the more expensive models still use the older Bluetooth protocols. The sound quality is pretty amazing considering this is a $20 set of earphones. There is a decent amount of bass, the audio is crisp, and there are no distortions even at the highest volume setting. In addition to this, the A1 earbuds support dual ear touch control, providing convenient operation on volume control, previous or next song, pause or answer the calls, as well as voice assistant control. I had no connectivity issues, the pairing process is seamless, and the call quality is decent. Overall, the TOZO A1 are one of the best true wireless earphones for an incredibly low price of just below 20 bucks. This desk lamp made by LASTAR costs less than 30 bucks, but it offers quite a lot of features. First of all, I love how compact it is, so it doesn't take too much space on the desk. Also, it has a flexible gooseneck design, meaning that you can adjust it the way you want. The lamp is made of plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap, and the overall build quality is great. There are several light temperature modes to choose from, and you can adjust the brightness with a capacitive touch control bar. 12 watts LED lights produce up to 400 lumens of brightness, which is plenty enough for reading, working, or simply using the lamp as an ambient light source in the room. One of the standout features, a built-in night light. This little light produces 1800 Kelvin temperature light that supposedly helps the secretion of melatonin, and it is said to improve sleep quality. While I couldn't perform a scientific test to see if that is true, I like this extra feature, and you can simply use it as a night light. It also looks pretty cool, so I keep it on pretty much all the time. Lastly, there is a built-in USB charging port for your devices. Overall, this LASTAR LED desk lamp looks nice, it is very compact, and it has quite a few features considering such a low price. These are the gadgets I wanted to show you guys today. I think that all of them offer great value for the price, and since I've used them personally for quite some time, I can easily recommend them. What do you think? Which is your favorite gadget? Tell me in the comment section down below. Also ask me any questions. Please like the video if you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And as always, it was Linus. Thank you for watching and see you soon.